Hello, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn 6 different ways to say I think. Before we start, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up and click subscribe. The first one, instead of I think, we can say from my point of view. From my point of view. Now, what does it mean when you say from my point of view? For example, your computer has a problem and you ask the engineer, what do you think the problem is? And he or she answers, in my point of view, it is just a system error. It means I think it is just a system error, right? So if I ask you a question and then I say, what do you think? You can say from my point of view. Now, you can use this phrase at the beginning of sentence. As you see, after this phrase, I put comma. It's important putting the comma after this phrase. The second phrase, instead of I think, is if you ask me. If you ask me. We use this when something not really up to us. The decision is not up to us, but the person might want second opinion, so you would say, look, this is completely up to you, but if you ask me, I think you shouldn't do it, or I think you should do it. For example, my friend bought a scarf. He asks my opinion about the color of scarves, and I answer, if you ask me, it doesn't look good on you. It means this is completely up to you, but if you ask me, I think it is not good for you. It is my opinion, I think, right?
But from my point of view, he is in perfect health.
You ask me, you should give up fatty foods.
The next phrase is as far as I'm concerned. As far as I'm concerned, it means if you want to know my opinion. For example, as far as I am concerned, she can come home whenever she likes. It means if you want to know my opinion, she can come home whenever she likes. And you can use it in writing. You can start in paragraph. You can use this phrase and start your opinion. You can put it at the beginning of sentence.
As far as I am concerned, this experiment is over.
Instead of as far as I'm concerned, you can use as far as I know. As far as I know. Both of them are the same. Look at the example. As far as I know, comma, my friend was at work last night. As you see, after this phrase, I put the comma. It's important. The other phrase, instead of I think, we can say I believe that. I believe that. For example, you want to give your opinion about your brother, your sister, I don't know, your friend, your family, your wife, your husband, and you say, I believe that you are a brave person. You are a brave person. It means you know, you believe. And the other things, you can change the subject. For example, you can say, you believe that he's a brave person. We believe that you are a brave person. The last one is I would say. Instead of I think, you can say I would say. For example, your friend, your brother, your sister, I don't know, your husband asks you about someone's age and you answer, I would say he is about 50. She is about 30. You know, it is informal phrase. You can use it when you are talking with your friend or with your close friend. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up and click subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in next lesson. Bye.